Hey guys, Dave and Mike, Ghetto Van Adventures. Mike's running the camera. Today, you're not gonna say hello?
I'm trying to figure out what you're doing. I have no idea what we're doing today. So, hi guys, I have no clue what we're doing. Dave's opened a box that looks like it has Budweiser beer in it.
It's a shock. It's a KYB actual shock. I like KYB, although there's lots of good shocks. We're gonna be putting that on today. Okay? Pretty simple. Just take your time. So, I got the front wheel block. I got it jacked up. I got a stand under there. You see that?
So how high do you want to jack it up?
Well, so you can get the tire off and work on it.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm gonna pull the tire off.
So most of you doing this probably already know how to take your tire off, but just in case.
And you see what I'm using, eh? The impact gun I bought.
Yeah, so just take the four nuts, bolts with a 5
off.
Yeah.
And that's it. Just pull that off and we're good.
Well, that was easy taking that off.
Now, I gotta do brakes on that too, but there's the shock that's coming off.
That's in good condition though. Only a few pieces are breaking off of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's pretty crusty. Anyway, I'll get some wrenches on and I'll show you where to do it. There.
Okay, so there's a bolt.
Yep. So
there's that one there.
That's an 18, and then there's one right there.
Yeah, and that one there.
Yeah.
That's a little smaller though, it looks like though.
Yeah. So I know this one's an 18, so we'll take this one off. I didn't put any penetrating oil. Hopefully this will break them free now. If you're using hand wrenches, put some penetrating oil ahead of time.
Yeah, lube it up.
Yeah.
Got a bunch of crap in my face for that.
There's one off. Okay. Now I'll find the socket for that size. Okay, peeps. I had put just to hold this in place, and I got this one on. There. And this was an 18. So pull out that bolt.
Okay, so that because that one's a bolt, then you need to have something holding on the other side.
Yeah. And there is the old dirty shock, which wasn't doing much of anything.
That looks pretty.
It's actually there's a little bit of resistance, not much, and now it's just reassemble.
Yeah, they look a little different.
A good picture for the cover. It's not disgusting. Now you want to make sure that the sizes are the same, like up top and the bottom, and they are, you know, don't undo this strap until you get things in place, okay? Because sometimes it's a pain to get back in. Now I usually start at the top and put the top one in.
Well, that's the easy one because the bolt's already there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me a sec here and I'll get set up. So the cover part, this top part, goes up. Okay.
Now, does it matter which way you put it in?
What do you mean?
Like, there's two sides to it now, right? Doesn't matter?
No, like that? No.
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 Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Just start this. Get that lined up. Okay.
And for all the viewers out there, how tight are we tightening it?
Yeah, pretty tight. I just want to see. Just gonna back it off just there. Just want to back it off just a little bit so I can pivot it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this gets the little tricky part. Okay. Give me a sec. I'm gonna grab a knife. Okay. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Now, you see the bolt that we took out of here?
Yeah.
It has to line up with this piece. Now, when I cut this, it's going to gradually move out.
Okay.
Just line it up, and when it sits through, it'll work. So I'm going to cut this.
So you cut it and let it fall into place, kind of.
Yeah.
So it lines up.
I'm going to cut this strap. There.
So slightly moving down.
Yeah. Uh-oh. And this is why sometimes you need a second jack. And I'll show you why. That's fully extended down, okay? And it won't fit in, because this has to go up just slightly.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I'm going to get another jack, and I'll show you. Okay. Let's see if this works.
So we jacked up a bit to kind of get it in line, because with the Ghetto Van, certain pieces age over time.
Well, the thing is the axle drops down when you undo the shock.
Right.
And it just is hanging just a little too low. So we give it there. See that? That's how easy it went in.
There you go.
Put this on.
Dave takes to offense when I say his Ghetto Van's old and falling apart.
Well,
so.
it's a little crusty. I love my van though.
There's a nice shiny black shock we have in there now.
I know. It just looks a little out of place, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So now you can use a wrench.
Other one's a little rusty too.
Yeah. I just clamp this on this side.
Those are vice grips, right?
Yeah. Now you can use a wrench if you want. Nice and tight. And you want it tight because this is now you can use Loctite if you want. Some people do.
Right.
I just make sure they're nice and tight.
Now, do you retighten the top one now? Because you had it a little loose to
I backed
turn.
it off.
Yeah.
So.
Could you over tighten this and be in trouble?
You could snap it off.
Okay.
Like you could snap
Yeah,
it off.
anything though, but once it's on there, you're pretty good.
Yeah, and that's why I say, if you're unsure how much to tighten it, you want to tighten it tight, but use a little Loctite, and that way, you know, like a blue Loctite. Oh, well, hold. There's the shock. Now you just throw on your wheel.
So that was it.
Done. That's it.
Can you pay $100 and something on a shot to put that in for you?
And we'll put the link in for the Amazon link to get some shocks cheap. But like I say, it's a fairly easy job. As long as you can find the friggin' wrenches.
Yeah.
Like we were pissing around trying to find the right wrenches.
Yeah, we had to go through quite a few to find the right ones.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, Warren from Shed Life, from messing all our stuff up.
But and there's the rigid impact gun. That thing is
It
wonderful.
worked very well in this one.
I love it. So.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and I gotta lower that down to pull off the vice grips. But that's it. And like it's in there, it'll hang the axle, and it'll give a better ride. And actually, what we'll do is we'll test it afterwards, and I'll put a review in on those shocks in a few months and let you know how they are. Okay guys, we're just going to give a quick recap of what we did. Okay, jacked it up, tire stand, 18 mil to take out the top bolt. Right here. Okay, 18 mil on the bottom and 18 mil here to take out this. And guess what? Remove the shock. Okay guys, leave the strap on. You're gonna put this in the top one, okay? Bolt through the top one. So line it up, put it through, and tighten it, but not fully. So just so it's snug. Okay, jack it up a little bit so you're like just the axle, so the shock reaches. Now, get your bolt ready. Cut the tie on the shock, and it'll lower itself out. Let go into position. Sometimes have to wiggle a little bit, and when it goes in, catch it. There. nut on. Oops. Put the nut on. Wrench on the back, 18 mil wrench in the back, 18 mil socket on the front. Give a good tighten. Take that off. And tighten the top one. And that's 18 mil again. Guess what? There she's in. Shock's done. You can drop her down, put your wheel on. Remember to torque your wheel nuts, jack out, and you're finished. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Take care. Be safe on the road.